Baby, oh, baby, oh. Hold me, oh, hold me, oh. Baby, love me, oh, love me, oh. Never go, never go. Eh, you kill him all. Le mo. You kill him all. You kill him all. Le mo. You kill him all. Le mo. You kill him all. Le mo. Baby, so fine, and I can't let you pass me by. Oh yes, she's so fine, and I just wanna make her mine. Yeah, I get the money, plenty money, and I'm ready to spend with you. Oh my baby, I get the mansion, many mansions, and I'm ready to give up to you. Oh my sissy, every day, every hour. So your loving I dey feel my baby, oh. Every day, every minute. So your loving I dey feel my honey, oh. Baby, oh, baby, oh. Baby, oh, baby, oh. Hold me, oh, hold me, oh. Hold me, oh, hold me, oh. Baby, love me, oh, love me, oh. Love me, oh, love me, oh. Never go, never go. Never go, never go. You kill him all. Le mo. You kill him all. You kill him all. Le mo. You kill him all. Le mo. You kill him all. Le mo. I remember Rebecca, now so she treat me. I remember Oreva, now so she wound me. What of mercy, now so she dagger me. Ogene have mercy, she want to kill me. Your beauty is like the sun, you know.
Different girls will call different girls will call day. They say go and choose the first. Anyway, on our welcome on top of the live show. You get what we discuss.
Now tomorrow.
Now tomorrow topic. Now
tomorrow topic go hot very well.
Go hot tomorrow.
Wherever you go there tomorrow, make sure.
If you go there traffic, not go walk.
Wait.
If you know say by 8 o'clock of tomorrow you go there traffic, make sure say you not go walk. Tell your guy say
you get that something big.
You get that something big. Say four not there for your street. Let make you not come out.
Or say you get cough. You don't come walk.
Mona not organa play. Mona not like him. What happened? I cannot fit talk. Hey, you dey talk now? Okay, you not go understand. Not be me dey talk. So anyway, more gonna join us. Welcome ES Plus into the studio. Una welcome. Hey, how una dey?
We dey fine. We dey fine. We dey fine. Good evening.
You won't use our telephone as you do the telephone.
No.
Who be E? Who be S?
Who be Plus?
Okay, now me be E.
Who be S?
Now me be S.
Now you be Silvanus.
Oh, my name not be Silvanus.
What's your name?
My name na Sonny.
Sonny, your name?
My name na Ima.
Ima na never. Ima. Why you carry red hair like fowl for that video?
No mind me. No mind
me. Are you a fowl?
I not be fowl. No mind me. Not be my fault. They force me do am.
They force you do am. As I thought, are you a fowl? I remember one pastor. When they for Lagos for year in church, they somewhere on the mainland. I don't know call the pastor name. Wait.
They know the people who they know these days. I don't understand.
I don't know how many churches they go.
Wait. Now your story, not my story. Make I tell you. You know that portion for Bible where children of Israel walk out from Egypt, they go. Where they say something like fowl come they fall like quails. Come they fall from heaven where they come they chop.
Manna.
No be manna. Manna first fall. Then so one to be like pigeon. Come fall from up. They come roast that chop. Then the pastor come they say, when the children of Israel they have leave Egypt. Somebody say Egypt.
Egypt.
Somebody say Egypt. They now leave Egypt. They were now going. And then God now say, wait, I will send fowl.
I will send guinea.
Fowl. God now come and send fowl. Fowl was now falling. They were now chopping. Fowl. Repeat after me. Fowl. Fowl. Anyway, now welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
Down a video, they very fine. Who showed the video?
That's a cookie.
Cocaine.
That's a cookie.
Yeah, that's a square ball.
Wow. SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
That's a cookie.
Okay, that's a cookie.
That's a cookie.
Yeah.
Which kind of cookies in they make?
Now video cookies in the make.
Okay.
What in they do? Now can only video in they do?
Yeah, in it
They can change that name. That name not gonna work.
And
In fact, tell them say they find them.
That's why square ball they
Square ball.
Okay.
If you call it that's a cookie, you call it square ball.
Okay. That lady from Nasarawa, good evening.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Done daddy.
What is your name?
Nancy.
Guinea.
Yeah, I'm Nancy.
Bye-bye.
Sorry, bye-bye.
When
Call us
you-
back when your TV don't reduce. Anyway, if you not just join us for the night show for today, topic one episode to talk about, even with ES Plus ready for here, we'll talk about matter of I'm not gonna call the state name. If I call the state name, some of you know the person when they say they give the scholarship.
No, they go run, go apply.
Or na go run, go apply.
Go stand in line.
See, even if I call the state's name, they don't know the man.
No need to call the state.
So I know call the state name. One man won't give scholarship to like 13 people. They won't give scholarship to 13 people. But the scholarship they won't give now 15 million naira be the worth of the scholarship. Now the contract say okay,
You get that? Yes.
You say waiting.
No, they get two options.
They get two options. Either say you do business with the money of the scholarship.
That's 15 million
15 million naira. Or you go school, university, when you say it be the worth of the scholarship of the 15 million naira. If now you want collect the scholarship, because now next week, is it next?
Next week now when? No, today na third now.
Today na third. Then go soon give them the scholarships and make her not tell the date. So if now you, which one you go collect? Make her first ask ES Plus. Iman or neighbor Ima. If now you go collect the 15 million.
No, calm down, think your eye don't dey shine.
I don't already calm down since.
Ajay from Warri first will come back to you. Ajay, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I bomb on Nedu.
How today?
I beg, help me on a DJ at the Bado the guy die.
Yeah, yes, boss. Sahi Baba Ajay.
DJ easy bit.
Ajay.
boss.
Ajay.
Okay, as Fatima one on the talk,
Yes.
that less, I'm going to call him.
Which one?
Alex, that man too.
No, that one. Not what we talk about now. We don't talk the story pass.
Okay.
We talk about the scholarship on.
The
Scholarship.
The scholarship. Bro, man, I'm like give you, I'll collect the 15 million.
Take do business.
Bam.
Hello?
You go collect and take do business, or you go.
I'll collect and do business.
Why?
You no go school.
If you go school for Nigeria,
I know where they go. Would they hear you?
hello?
Would they hear you? You say if you go school for Nigeria,
What's it
If
go happen?
you use 15 million to go school, what will be the guarantee say now what you go just get immediately?
anyway, not true you talk sharp, but some people they get job work quick when they come out from university.
Some people they can.
You know. And
You
you
know
know
that
say
you
if
say
you
you
go
read
school,
accounting.
is I dey hear you.
Just imagine now say now 15 million you take go that school
Yes.
and you do finish now no work.
Yes.
So you gotta imagine the scenario. Me I be graduate.
Okay.
Not be waiting I read until they leave now.
Okay.
So if I get the opportunity then, saying a business for the 15 million and this school option, bro, it's not there. I'll collect the money go to business.
All right, I say.
We know very.
Thank you. From Egbeda, good evening. Hello, from Egbeda, good evening.
Evening.
Praise, how you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Praise, if now you, what you go do?
Nedu,
Yes.
it's me.
Yeah.
You don't hope.
I'll take the scholarship.
You go take the scholarship. You go school.
Yes.
All right. Why you go school?
But why won't go?
Yes.
Knowledge. You can't buy it.
No, it's okay.
Once you
Now
don't
knowledge,
acquire
you
it,
not fit buy am.
you don't get that for life.
Mm.
And it can transform your life.
Exactly.
The 15 million, you may need that 15 million put inside business.
Yes.
And if the business fails, you will regret for life. But the ensure you acquire remain with you, and it can give you 100 folds of that 6 million.
Praise, you make sense. Thank you very much. Praise from Egbeda. Thank you very much.
Sorry, then.
Now,
Emma,
Emma, if not you, that
I know what you go talk.
I know what you go talk. No, me.
See, I don't get two men. I'm confusing.
You're confused.
How they turn?
Okay, if not you, now what you go do?
One man they tell me school. But 15 million. I dey think on the other side.
Which other side?
Bros. No manage school come on first. More fair use. No be business.
Yeah.
We'll go school back.
You go start the business, then you go do the business.
From there, they support my school. You understand? The more.
Which kind of business you go take and do?
Don't worry yourself.
Favor from Lagos, good evening. Man, no way. Favor, good evening.
Hello?
Hey, hello, Favor. Hi.
Reduce your
TV volume.
I've reduced it. The money,
Hey, Honan.
do business more than school. Because get some graduates who don't go school finish, they don't get work. So I prefer business. And they do the name of that your dance. Nah, you know now. Ashawo dance.
Hey! Holy Ghost! Fire! Holy Ghost! Fire! I rebuke you!
I know they have.
I reject you!
I will dance and Ashawo dance.
Bye-bye! Holy Ghost fire on you! Bye-bye! I don't know what you're talking about.
Now you are dance. You know they move west now. Now you are finger.
Now only finger.
Okay, the finger dance.
Finger dance.
Okay.
I don't know what you're doing.
He did say, your dance name na YP dance.
What you can help me with YP dance?
Nameless say, na business I could take and do. When I make the money well, I could go school. After all, not be everybody will go school.
When I see waiting,
you get one place that not indicate. Now where you want to go to school? Now Nigeria, I've been off abroad.
Hello, sorry from Nasarawa.
If it go Ghana.
Good evening, Justin. How you doing?
Fine.
Justin, this thing what they discuss this evening. If not you, what do you go do? Justin, bye-bye. Thank you. The Lord meets you at the point of your needs.
Amen.
Anthony, good evening. From Lagos. Anthony, good evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, make sure not forget say we still get ES Plus for inside studio. In case you call it, what follow ES Plus, follow them talk on top the matter.
Motorcar, noise little motorcar. Will you go to town, please? Carry me. Pim, 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 pom, pom, pom. Noise little motorcar. Go on.
In case you just join us on top the show for night show for this evening, top what we discuss now say okay. Now person when they say one give scholarship to like 13 people, but the scholarship they worth 15 million naira.
Yes.
Now two options na ND. Option 1 and option 2. Option 1 na say they go you go school. You not go see the 15 million naira.
But you go school. Anything where you want
for
study
school,
for school,
you go get them. Your feeding, everything. From your 100 level to the end of your university.
Everything. I think Bordeaux very covered.
That's one. Or they go count the 15 million. When you get an aka, give it to you. Maybe you can do business. If not you, think where. Which one you go do?
Sonny,
Ima don't talk say in go do business.
First.
Then face. As an Igbo man. Hello, Favor from Kaduna. Good evening.
How you think no say na Igbo man?
This guy, looking head now.
Oh.
You know, says the hair scatter. From Kaduna, good evening. Okay, more go to Sonny. Sonny, if not you go either collect the scholarship or you go do business with it.
I no go think am 2 times. I will collect the money.
Collect and do waiting. No, nobody say they dash you the money.
I go collect the money, arrange my business, they back up with the school.
You know, see 50 million not too many like that.
You need to ask us.
Just they back up with the school. They do business.
Sometimes.
They back up.
You're talking mind sometimes.
I dey finish everything. Now be the ES
15 million.
Now you be the
I get one guy for my street who will be graduate now. Can I end it right? You see that kind of thing?
No, which kind of thing? Maybe go backyard school.
No, backyard. But you see that guy wake up from a bed. That guy makes sense. Larry from Larry, good evening.
What are you talking?
Good evening, Nedu.
Hey, how you doing, my brother?
I do. How far now? Kathy, how you doing now?
My sweet baby, I did. See me here.
All right, DJ Easy.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
I greet all of you now.
Hey, Baba.
I beg, Larry, if not you, what do you go do?
If not me, I don't go lie to you, Nedu. go collect the 15 million, do business.
Why?
Yes, now, because how many people don't graduate, no work. But if you do that business, say you take an open bottle water factory now, 5 years, your factory go dey blue.
No, but
no business, you go begin go school.
Larry, no be everybody can mind for business.
You know, so everybody get business mind.
But now you dey ask me, now me I dey talk my own mind. And my mind I dey talk. Me I get mind for business.
Larry, what do you do?
What do I do right now? I dey work for government.
So why you not do business now?
I don't get the money now. If you give me money now, I go resign. 15 million. I
Which kind of work you want to do?
Go start
Which
my
kind of
business.
Which kind of business? You know, in a pure water. In the pure water.
I don't know. No, bottle water. Not pure. Or I open bread factory, bakery. I dey bake bread. They distribute. People must chop bread.
Oh, you open 2 of them. You open 2 of them.
I can open the 2 of them with 15
million. So anybody go drink bread, go chop bread, go drink water.
They go chop bread, they go drink water. Belle go high. Back infrastructure.
Larry, thank you.
Hey.
But you know
That's
what
my caller of the night.
You know what I'm done with that. That guy will go for a good talk, see. Okay, Rabia, good evening. Rabia from Abuja.
Don't cut.
Oluwatosin say this is a serious matter. Money could and school also makes sense.
You understand?
But no amount can be used to buy knowledge. Once acquired, now for life.
Exactly. That's what that guy talk. He said, if not knowledge, bone, those you say that guy when they on the street not get work. Some people will go school. They don't get work for a while. But it not mean say now so they go there throughout. Forever. It don't mean so they go there throughout forever. If it be say then they okay for like 1 year, 2, 3 years, 4 years and not get work. One thing, bam, could just happen. The work will come. When that work come, now so they go begin get money. You understand? If not big, according to that guy talk, now you own, I they talk with him in talk. Say knowledge, you not fit buy them. But business, you can get money anytime enter business where you want to. So therefore, you wait there, wait till you go do. Our phone number is there on top of your TV. Make you call us. If I'm from Asaba, good evening. Ify, baby. Okay.
Hello?
Leave Ify. When she's ready, she will call back. Our phone number is there on top of TV. Mama could talk to ES Plus. Una first talk to ES Plus.
Waiting come be the plus inside. They don't know what is ES Plus.
No.
Waiting be the plus.
Una ES, we don't know now. Who be Plus?
Plus God.
Plus God.
Because now in the leaders they go.
They don't start though. I think you see. Una for you say ES Plus God.
ES Plus God. Welcome to the stage, ES Plus God. Now, for the song, what did they sing? Baby, wine up for me, wine up for me, wine up for me, and a plus God. Baby, wine up for me, wine up for me, wine up for me, aqua plus God.
No, that one not join now.
That one not join.
No, not join.
Only for the music, you are here.
No, we don't.
Okay, that guy, where drop black thing like it, you know, where like a blind person. Wait, Cheregodi. Na fellowship she dey do there. I been attract. We go play that video. We no go see play that video. Na attract she dey share.
Hi. Na me sing am.
Na you sing that girl where the rock person body.
Now you come be that girl.
We watch am.
Oh wait.
Anthony from Lagos, first of all, before I come to these people, plus God. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, my brother. How you doing?
Yeah, fine. Good evening.
Good evening. Anthony, I beg. If now you, what you go do?
I will take the money now.
Why you go take the money?
I will take them for business.
Sharp, no wasting of time.
Which kind of business you go take and do?
I do into business already. My bad.
All right, Anthony, thank you. Fumi from Ogun. Good evening.
Anthony go take and expand the business.
Fumi.
Fumi, you get ghost.
Be like where evil spirit they call you. Anyway, make we enter markets, make we buy some things. So we come back, we continue with ES Plus. How they take enter music. Now God call them. I been then call God. I been then flash God.
I mean, they call themselves. I mean, they call themselves. I mean, talent or hard work. All of that inside.
We will find out when they come back. Still on top of the night show.
When I then go church.